Gifted was, well, gifted. From the moment he could hold a crayon, he was imagining sketching complex architectural blueprints. At 5, he was imagining building working radios out of scrap parts. By 16, he was tutoring high school students in calculus. Everyone expected him to become an engineer, an architect, maybe even a rocket scientist. But Gifted had a secret passion: money. Not in a greedy way, but in a fascinated, analytical way. He loved the flow, the ebb and flow of it, the way it could be used to build things, to help people, to create opportunities. He spent hours poring over his grandfather's old stock certificates and investment ledgers, captivated by the intricate dance of numbers. So, much to the surprise of his teachers and family, Gifted applied to business school. He thrived. He understood risk and reward, market trends, and the psychology of investors. He devoured financial statements like novels. He graduated at the top of his class and landed a coveted position at a prestigious bank. His first few years were a whirlwind of long hours and intense pressure, but he loved every minute of it. He excelled at structuring deals, identifying investment opportunities, and helping businesses grow. One day, while reviewing a loan application for a local community center, Gifted had an idea. He saw that the center, despite its vital services, was teetering on the brink of financial collapse. Gifted, remembering his own childhood and the opportunities he'd been given, decided to champion their cause. He reworked their budget, identified new funding sources, and secured a loan that kept their doors open. He wasn't building rockets or bridges, but he was building something just as important: a stronger community. And that, Gifted realized, was the most gifted thing he could do. He wasn't just a banker, he was an architect of opportunity, a constructor of dreams, one loan at a time.